Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do a daily update review on the growth of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please follow and subscribe. Well, the raspberry bush coming to its end. It's about shortly after 6 in the morning, and the sun no longer gets up early enough to actually see sunlight because summer's half over. Well, technically there's only like a month and a half left before spring officially starts. And still no peppers, just little pepper buds. The slowest growing pepper plant ever. Are you even going to give us a pepper before summer is over? I mean, seriously. Well, these peppers have been very handy for canning. And pepper production has been outpacing the zucchini production for canning. We've harvested a few more zucchinis yesterday, but still not enough to can. There's not much pollinator activity this morning. In fact, I don't see anything. Just these nasty critters, eh? Well, the plants are doing rather well. But without the high heat to stress the plants, they look a little healthier. So I haven't had to do too many turmeric sprays now. Last couple of days. And the beans. Again, just another handful for supper yesterday. I mean, they're growing rather well. Our corn and potatoes still looking really healthy. And I have to harvest this box. These tops are all wilting. I can't replant potatoes in this box. I should let this box have a break for a season, maybe. All of them. Well, the onions are popping up again. And this crazy kale bush. My plate has been so full for supper from other items from the garden that I just haven't been in the mood to make crispy kale yet this year. Yeah. Well, the squash boxes did give me a zucchini, but all the other squashes are growing quite fine. Oh, I finally see a pollinator. Oh, he just popped into one of those flowers. Well, let's have a look at the progress on this massive. How we doing? Well, hasn't been that much growth. Maybe the plants need more food. Well, the growth is going according to plan for the vines. Let's just hope we can get more squash. All right, well, let's go and have a look at Butch in the front. It's 13 degrees this morning. It's chilly. There's no wind. It's a beautiful day. There's not a cloud in the sky. But it's 13 degrees. Wow. Taking a breather there. Yeah. Well, no growth there on the flower yet. But Butch, look at Butch, eh? Butch has finally opened up. And he will have two other heads. This one here and that one there. So, any new zucchinis down here? Do you have any? Oh yeah, there's one growing right there. Oh, so you're making your way across. Very good. Into the sunlight. Do I have? No, just the flowers. Yeah, this is not gonna work. The soil's all gone. Okay. And that one there in a corner, is it surviving? Oh, still a few flowers. Oh well. Looks like the morning glories will just finally overtake it. And they found the string and they're finding their way along. I might have to step in there and save that pumpkin. Let's go down in there and have a look. Let's check down here. Hey, what's going on here? Still healthy? Good. Okay, well, that's that. Yeah, these have to be pumpkin plants, I hope. Well, the other one seems to be because of the light color of its flower, but I don't know. Okay. Well, I guess we'll just have to wait a few more days. See what kind of squash comes out of those other plants that I thought were pumpkins. Well, if you hung out to the end, I really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next update. Bye-bye.